Storth, I think like a lot of engineering companies, are struggling to find qualified welders. So we needed a solution that would enable us to increase production and allocate the welders to more complicated work, which is also increasing our margin. Well, Storth attended a robotics convention and we actually talked to Olympus Technologies, competitors, and explained what we wanted to achieve with a robot welder. And they admitted they couldn't actually do it, and they pointed to Olympus Technologies. We've had a very good relationship with Olympus Technologies. They've been very straightforward, very helpful. We've had fantastic support, during and after the installation. So our operator was able to ring the support line and get all the information needed. So we're very happy. Normally we would have had 2 to 4 welders producing tracks for our scraper systems. So it's a very repetitive, very boring job, and we do need a lot of these parts. So the robot welders actually allowed us to move those welders onto more complicated machines and to actual fabrication rather than welding. And we've increased production as well. So as a conservative estimate, we've basically gained 2 welders in production, and we're producing pretty much twice the quantity that those 2 welders were producing beforehand. The operator has found it quite easy. He's had no problems programming the machine. He's been able to change the menu to Polish since he's a Polish citizen, and any questions were resolved by the support staff at Olympus Technologies.